Today, I want to talk about something that affects us all at some point in our lives: insomnia. We all know how crucial a good night's sleep is for our health and well-being, so let's dive into some natural remedies that can help you get those much-needed Z's. Now, before we get started, I just want to say that I've had my fair share of sleepless nights, tossing and turning, trying to quiet my mind. So, I'm really excited to share some natural remedies that have personally helped me and many others combat insomnia. Insomnia can be caused by various factors, such as stress, unhealthy lifestyle habits, and underlying medical conditions. The constant hustle and bustle of daily life can make it challenging to wind down and get a good night's sleep. It's essential to address these root causes to improve our sleep quality and overall health. One of the best ways to tackle insomnia naturally is through herbal teas like chamomile or valerian root, which have calming properties that can promote relaxation and sleep. Incorporating relaxation techniques such as meditation or deep breathing exercises before bed can also help quiet the mind and prepare the body for sleep. Additionally, making lifestyle changes like establishing a consistent bedtime routine and creating a comfortable sleep environment can significantly improve your sleep quality. Now let's talk about the most effective natural remedies for insomnia. Personally, I found that a warm cup of chamomile tea before bed works wonders for calming my mind and easing me into a restful sleep. Many people also swear by lavender essential oil or magnesium supplements to help them relax and unwind before bedtime. Remember, finding what works best for you may require some trial and error, but the results are definitely worth it. Addressing insomnia with natural remedies can have a profound impact on our overall well-being. By incorporating herbal teas, relaxation techniques, and lifestyle changes into our daily routine, we can improve our sleep quality and wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Remember, prioritizing your sleep is essential for a healthy mind and body. I encourage you to try out these natural remedies for insomnia and share your experiences in the comments below. Let's support each other on our journey to better sleep. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.